Hey everyone! I have a fun surprise challenge for our family starting tonight.
No phones after dinner, and 30 minutes of exercise together every single evening.
No phones for a whole week? But Dad,
What are we gonna do? It is going to be amazing, Finn. We will move, play, and have fun. Okay, I am ready. Let us see who can stay active all week long.
welcome to day 1 at the park. Today, we start with a slow jog. Oh boy, my legs feel so tired already. Running is way too hard.
My feet hurt a little bit too. I miss sitting on the comfortable sofa. Take deep breaths, Finn. The first day is always the hardest for everyone.
Just 10 more minutes, team. You are doing a wonderful job so far. Whew, we made it. My body feels weak, but I survived day 1.
Good job, Finn. Tomorrow will definitely be easier for all of us.
Good evening, family. Day 2 is here, and today we ride our bicycles.
Yes! Bicycles are much faster and more fun than running around. Look at me, Mom! I am riding smoothly and feeling very fast today.
Keep your eyes on the path, children. You are doing great today.
This hill is steep, but I am not going to give up now.
Push hard with your legs, Finn. You can easily reach the top.
I made it to the top. Riding bikes is super exciting.
That was so much fun. My legs feel much stronger than yesterday.
Welcome to day 3. Today, we are playing a fun soccer match.
Watch out, Mom. I am gonna score a goal right now. Nice try, Finn. But you have to pass through my strong defense first. Here comes the ball, Dad. Catch it and shoot towards the goal. Goal! What a fantastic pass, Nia. Great teamwork from both of you.
Great pass, Nia. Playing soccer together is way better than video games.
Look at us go. We are moving fast and laughing so much today. I am not even thinking about my phone right now, Mom.
Day 4 is about flexibility. Tonight, we do full body stretches together.
Reach down for your toes gently and breathe in deeply like this.
Whoa, my balance is shaky. Stretching feels funny, but it feels good.
See, Finn? Just relax your shoulders and hold it for 5 seconds.
Excellent form, Nia. Stretching helps our muscles recover and grow stronger.
Hey, look! I can touch my shoes now without bending my knees.
Wonderful job, everyone! Tomorrow we will try some relay races together.
You did really well, Finn. I am proud of your effort today.
Welcome to day 5. Time for the ultimate family relay race.
I am speed. Get ready, Nia, because I am running super fast. Here comes the baton, Nia. Grab it and run to Mom.
Got it. Whew. I am running as fast as the wind today. Here you go, Mom. Finish the race for our team.
Almost there, Dad.
Yeah.
We are going to break our time record.
We set a new record. Amazing speed and coordination, everyone.
That was the coolest race ever. We make an awesome team, Nia. Day 6. Today, we are playing our custom obstacle course game.
Step by step, keep balance, and stay focused on the path.
Look at me jump. I feel like a superhero athlete today.
Quick feet through the cones. This game really tests our agility.
Under the net. Whew. Keep going, family. The finish line is near. We finished the whole course together. That was so exciting.
Wow, look at our steps today. We are super active and energetic. Drink plenty of water, kids. Tomorrow is our final challenge day.
Congratulations, team! Today is day 7, our final challenge day.
1, 2, 3, 4. I have so much energy today, Dad.
5, 6, 7, 8. My muscles feel very strong now, Mom. You both improved so much this week. I am so proud.
You completed 30 minutes of exercise every day for a week.
We won the challenge. No phones and lots of fun games.
I feel so happy and healthy. Exercise is really great. Now it is time for our special reward, a healthy park picnic. We have fresh apples, juice, healthy sandwiches, and delicious berries.
Fresh apples taste extra delicious after exercising in the park.
Here is fresh juice for everyone. Cheers to our healthy family.
Notice how well everyone slept this week? Exercise gives better sleep.
That is right, Dad. Less phone time means better sleep and health.
I used to think exercise was boring, but I was wrong.
Exercising is super exciting when the whole family plays together.
So, what do you think? Should we keep doing this together?
Yes, absolutely. Let us exercise in the park every single weekend.
I agree. Every weekend will be our family fitness adventure time. Packing up is easy when everyone helps out together like this.
Hey, Nia, let us practice passing the soccer ball back home.
Nice kick, Finn. You are getting better at controlling the ball.
Look at that beautiful sunset, family. What a perfect week together.
Healthy habits make our home full of love and happy smiles.
Goodbye, Park. See you again next weekend for more games.
Turning off phones helped us talk, play, and laugh much more.
A healthy family is a happy family. Remember that every day.
Together, we can overcome any hard challenge with love and joy.
Try the Family Fitness Challenge at your home, too. It is fun.
You will love moving your body and spending time together. See you all next weekend for our next big fitness adventure.